Good morning. Oh, this is what it's come down to. It helps them lay a little flatter. Pneumatics just can't be beat. They're unbelievable. Got that thing back when I was building the camper. All right. Now, let's take a quick tour here. I just rubber band my phone to my tripod. It works great. Okay, as far as I got last night, I quit about 5:30. I was so dang tired of being on my feet, being overweight. Ugh. Yeah, see, they're highly irregular, but that just is the character of the thing, you know? I am the drunken artist. Better watch out. Okay, and this is where I finished late yesterday. There was the last one I laid in. Now, I hit those with the sander, and then I'm going to finish them off with this guy, the Orbital. Nope, not plugged in. Leaf blowers, awfully handy. Dust. It sounds like I got a cold and I can hardly smell anymore because the red cedar dust is horrific on you. Yeah. See, that's what the final. And the oil on these is the oil on those is this awesome stuff. Brazilian rosewood oil. All right, and I got 2 more of these. I think this is my favorite brand. I tried another brand. It's not near as fast. All right, that's the tricks of the trade. I had to gut my camper, and I forgot to cover up my stuff. There's the fridge and the toilet. Got a composting toilet in it. Quite fond of this thing. Cost me $900 though, back in 2010. And that's a sale Buddy gave me. Thank you, Kim. All right, this concludes our tour. Out.